It's 48, 49, 50. We need a number 3, which it looks like Agent Orchid has. It had to be Orchid, didn't it? Orchid, we need that gadget. Lines last like that, you know. Oh, no, you don't understand, Paula. We need that. Orchid, hi. Can we please have that gadget? Thank you for asking the question. And la la la.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following South Carolina counties: Sumter and Clarendon, effective until 5:03 p.m. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for North Central Clarendon County in Central South Carolina, Central Sumter County in Central South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near South Sumter, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard tornado and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Sumter, Mulberry, Maysville, and East Sumter. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a sturdy building immediately.
Keep it. It's Scooby-Doo down the hall. You can't tell me what to do.